Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 41 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you one new topic, that is higher order derivatives. Okay, try to understand. If fx is a differentiable function of x, then dy dx, that is f dash x, is equal to dy dx is equal to f dash x, d square y dx square, that is f double dash x, that is second order derivative, then d cube y dx cube, that is f triple dash x, that is third order derivative, and so on. So d n y dx raised to n, that is nth order derivative. Okay. Now I will give you one example to understand. Consider fx is equal to x cube minus x. Then f dash x is equal to, derivative of this is equal to 3x square minus 1. Derivative of derivative, that is second order derivative, is equal to 6x. Third order derivative is 6 and fourth order derivative is 0. So if you observe this, you find that from the above example, if fx is a polynomial of degree n, so here degree is 3 and the fourth order derivative is 0, okay, 3 plus 1, and degree is 3, so third order derivative is constant. From the above example, if fx is an polynomial of degree n, then its nth order derivative is constant and all other onward derivatives are 0. Okay. Now, exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Find the second order derivative of the following. Question number 1. 2x raised to 5 minus 4x cube minus 2 upon x square minus 9. Solution. Let fx is equal to 2x raised to 5 minus 4x cube minus 2 upon x square minus 9. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash x means first order derivative. F dash x is equal to 10 x raised to 4 minus 12 x raised to 2 plus 4 x cube. Okay, so this is a constant, derivative is 0, and therefore f double dash x means second order derivative is equal to 40x cube minus 24x minus 12x raised to minus 4, and therefore second order derivative is equal to 40x cube minus 24x minus 12 upon x raised to 4. Okay. Question number 2. E raised to 2x into tan x. Solution. Let y is equal to fx is equal to e raised to 2x into tan x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here you use u into v formula. So f dash x, that is first order derivative, is equal to e raised to 2x d dx tan x plus tan x d dx e raised to 2x. E raised to 2x sec square x plus tan x, and e raised to 2x derivative, e raised to 2x into derivative of 2x, that is 2. So now this is a first order derivative. Again differentiate with respect to x. F double dash x, that is second order derivative, is equal to 2 e raised to 2x sec x into sec x tan x plus 2 sec square x e raised to 2x plus 2 into bracket 2 tan x e raised to 2x plus e raised to 2x into sec square x. And then you simplify 2 e raised to 2x sec square x tan x plus 2 e raised to 2x sec square plus 4 e raised to 2x tan x plus e raised to 2x sec square x. So 2 e raised to 2x sec square x tan x plus 4 e raised to 2x sec square x plus 4 e raised to 2x tan x. So if you observe e raised to 2x, 2 e raised to 2x is common. So 2 e raised to 2x into bracket sec square x tan x plus 2 sec square x plus 2 tan x. So is equal to 2 e raised to 2x into bracket this sec square x means 1 plus tan square x into tan x plus 2, again this sec square is x is equal to 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x, and then you simplify. So is equal to second order derivative is equal to 2 e raised to 2x into bracket tan x plus tan cube x plus 2 plus 2 tan square x plus 2 tan x. Okay. So generally answer right, but in term of what e raised to 2x or tan x. Okay. So therefore I simplify this sec square into 1 plus tan square x. Okay. And therefore f double dash x is equal to e raised to 2x into bracket tan cube x plus tan square x plus tan square plus tan x plus 2 tan x plus 2. So again I take tan square x common, so 2 e raised to 2x into bracket tan square x common into bracket tan plus 1 plus tan x into bracket tan x plus 2 into bracket tan x plus 1, and therefore e raised to 2x into bracket tan x plus 1 into bracket tan square x plus tan x plus 2. Okay. Question number 3. E raised to 4x into cos 5x. Solution. Let y is equal to fx is equal to e raised to 4x cos 5x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash x is equal to e raised to 4x derivative of cos 5x plus cos 5x ddx e raised to 4x. So e raised to 4x into bracket, this derivative is negative, therefore I put in the bracket. So cos x 5x derivative is minus sin 5x and derivative of 5x is 5 plus cos 5x into e raised to 4x and derivative of 4x is 4 and is equal to minus 5 e raised to 4x sin 5x plus 4 e raised to 4x into cos 5x. Now again differentiate with respect to x. F double dash x is equal to minus 5 into bracket 5 e raised to 5x cos x plus sin 5x into e raised to 4x into 4 plus 4 into bracket minus 5 e raised to 4x sin 5x plus cos 5x into e raised to 4x into 4. Simplify this. So minus 25 e raised to 4x cos x minus 20 e raised to 4x sin 5x minus 20 e raised to 4x sin 5x plus 16 e raised to 4x cos 5x. So in this case take common e raised to 4x. E raised to 4x common into bracket minus 25 cos 5x minus 20 sin 5x minus 20 sin 5x plus 16 4x is equal to e raised to 4x into bracket minus 9 cos phi x minus 40 sin phi x, and therefore second order derivative is equal to e raised to minus, here you take minus sign common outside, minus e raised to 4x into bracket 9 cos phi x plus 40 sin x, 5 sin x, sin phi x. Okay. Question number 4. X cube into log x. Solution. Let y is equal to fx is equal to x cube into log x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash x is equal to x cube d dx log x plus log x d dx x cube. So x cube upon 3, derivative of this x cube upon x, derivative of log is x, so I put here x cube upon x plus log x, and derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square, so is equal to x square plus 3x square log x. Okay, again differentiate with respect to x. F double dash x is equal to derivative of this 2x plus derivative of this 3 into bracket x square upon x plus log x into 2x. So 2x plus 3x, this and this by this 3 you multiply inside, 3x plus 6x log x is equal to 5x plus 6x log x, and therefore second order derivative is equal to, here I take x common, x into bracket 5 plus 6 log x. Okay. Question number 5. Log x. Solution. Let y is equal to fx is log x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash x is equal to derivative of log x is equal to log derivative is 1 upon log x and d dx of log x. So that is equal to 1 upon log x into derivative of this x, and is equal to 1 upon x log x. Now again this you differentiate with respect to x. F double dash x is equal to, here you use u upon v formula. So f double dash x is equal to x log x, derivative of 1 minus 1 into derivative of x log x upon x into log x square. So this is derivative of 1 is 0, so 0 minus x upon x plus log x upon x into log x square, and therefore second order derivative is minus 1 plus log x upon x log x square. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.